वेलकम बैक हीरोज़ एंड हीरोइंस। आप लोग देख रहे हैं पोकेमॉन रिबॉर्न का एपिसोड नंबर 31। आपने पिछले एपिसोड में देखा कि हमने एक पल्स कैब्राडोर को हराया एंड एक स्प्रिटूम पकड़ा था जो ऑट की स्टोन हमें मिला था माइनिंग करके। एंड मेरे को माइनिंग करके एक और ऑट की स्टोन मिला था, तो कल मैंने एक और पकड़ा था। एंड अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं 7th बैच के लिए अपना आया के पास, जो जिम लीडर है यहाँ की, असली पॉइजन टाइप जिम लीडर। एंड here we go. Fine, you win. I know. Oh look, it's Ram, late to the party as usual. Hey, don't worry. This gym leader, total noob. Excuse you, I beat you once before. Yeah, I was caught off guard by you fighting in doubles. Isn't that just a cheap way to cover for your lack of skill? I can fight in whatever format I want. Besides, it was my brother who. You have another visitor. Really, another one? Can't blame people for wanting a free badge. Would you shut up, please? Just leave me alone. Did I come at a bad time? Hardy aa gaya. Oh, it's you. Yeah, it's me. What are you doing here? Sweeping scrubs, you? Heard we got a new gym leader recently, so I've been meaning to come down and welcome her to the club. You're Aya, yeah? Yeah. Name's Hardy. Reborn's rock leader at your service. You know, the plan was to give you a warm welcome, but looks like you kinda already got a sore one, huh, mate? You can keep the snide comments to yourself, thanks. You two know each other? Afraid so. I had the misfortune of being stuck in the same class as Fern in the Onyx Trainer School. In short, Hardy's just jealous because I was the top dog and he was just another loser. Keep telling yourself that, mate. Plus, our sister used to be close friends, so we happened to get dragged to places together sometime. That's all in the past, though. Yeah, okay. You guys keep chit-chatting. I'm gonna go heal up my Pokemon with the machine in the other room. So, Ram, you're thinking of fighting Aya already? Like I said, total pushover. But it would be a shame if you come all the way down here and didn't have at least one good battle. Let me help you out there, huh? आजा। बहुत हीरो बनता है ना ये ग्राउंड रॉक है, आइस बीम गया, रोज रेड, राइचू गया, क्रूकोडाइल के लिए ब्लेजिकन, बल्कअप, प्रोटेक्ट। तू मार ले, तू मार ही नहीं पाएगा उसको। प्रोटेक्ट को डबल 2 बार एक साथ नहीं यूज़ कर सकते ना। प्रोटेक्ट कर लिया, फिर मारेगा, फिर नहीं लगेगा, फिर बल्कअप, प्रोटेक्ट। फिर से कर ले, प्रोटेक्ट कर लिया, नहीं मार पाएगा, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा। ले चल, अब खा ले तू। गया एक बार में। देसी डुई डार्क टाइप मुंह मारे असर ही नहीं करेगा। साइथर है ये, गया ब्लेस किक। फ्रैक्चर कोई नहीं, इसको क्लीन स्वीप करते हैं। पिकिंग यू अप विद 2-0। भाई तू हार रहा है यार, क्या बोल रहा है। ये ले, एक बार में गया। यू नो आई लेट यू विन, राइट? आई थिंक सीइंग फन गेट बीट इज वर्थ द ट्रिप आउट हियर इन इटसेल्फ. Stow it, Rocky. I was going easy on Ram. After all, I wouldn't make anyone cry. Whatever you say, mate. Okay, Ram, right? If you're ready for battle, let's get started. Oh, I wanna see this. Popcorn all the way, baby. I'll referee the match. Someone's gotta keep fun in check, and I know the ropes of being a gym leader. Ready when you are, I guess. Good luck, I guess. See, that seems to be the only way you win. तेरे को अभी हराया है यार, क्या बकवास करता है तू। Good luck, mate. Thank you. Heal कर लो। और ये सेव। ये पॉइजन टाइप है ना यार, तो पहले हम लोग राइचू को कर लेते हैं और दूसरा स्वूबैट को, ठीक है। और ये टेक योर प्लेसेस सो वी कैन गेट दिस ओवर विद। आई एम नॉट श्योर हु आई वांट टू लूज मोर। डू यू हेट by everyone or what? Nah, just you. Hey, lay off her, mate. No, no, it's fine, perfectly fine. He's right. It's not like I'm good at this. I shouldn't even bother. Hey, now, not the time to doubt yourself. Chin up. We're gonna rock this fight. I better be off if I've just left me alone. The challenger Ram faces the leader Aya in 6-on-6 double battle. I don't even really want to do this. I just got saddled with it. Either competition can make substitutions. The battle's over when all the 6 of either trainer's Pokemon can no longer fight. And roll. और ये शुरू हो गया मैच. और ये हमने मारा साइकिक. ओह, ड्रेपियन. एक को तो वापस करना पड़ेगा. स्वैम्पर्ट को निकालो और इससे साइकिक मरवा लो पहले. और रॉक स्लाइड गया. ओहो, फ्लाइगॉन या ये फ्लाइगॉन निकालते हैं. और ये मडी वाटर और ये ड्रैगन फ्लॉवर. एक गया. जस्ट फिनिश इट. वाई डोंट यू ऑलरेडी फिनिश करना है? करता हूँ फिनिश. गया. आसानी से जीत गया. एटलीस्ट आई वोंट हैव टू डील विद दिस अगेन. So I lost. At least that means I don't have to deal with you again, I guess. Scold. I think I would have preferred it Ram had bombed after all. Whatever, little losers. Hey, I don't take a couple of losses too hard, eh? It happens when you put up a solid fight. You just psyched yourself out beforehand. I don't care. Come on, no need to be so cold about it. What? You are sensitive to rejection too? Nah, I mean you are being cold to yourself. You deserve better than that, eh? Whatever. I never wanted this anyway. It was never supposed to be my job. But my stupid baby brother dumped this onto me. Emphasis is on the baby. He probably hates us. Why would he hate you? Ask him. I'm just not a good person, I guess. But he hasn't talked to any of us since he ran away. One day he just up and left. Didn't say goodbye. Didn't even take his Pokemon with him. He was the one who went out and earned the gym leader title. And then he decided he was over it. Now I'm stuck doing it. Mom even talk about him anymore, and I'm not cut out for this. Hey, calm down already, alright? You're fine. Tell you what, why don't I stick around for a bit to help you guys out with some stuff? Why, just leave me alone. Nah, I don't think there's good move right about now. Why don't you start by giving Ram their righteously earned badge? Then you and I will get some stuff worked out, yeah? Sure. This is the blight badge, take it. Ram, this is the blight badge. Pokemon up to level 50 will listen to you now, and you can use the machine strength outside of the battle. And I guess I'm supposed to give you this. Sludge Wave. Sludge Wave hits every target and has chance to poison each of them. Go figure, I'm good for spreading something toxic like that. You can go now. Ram, I look forward to seeing you in my gym up in a great city someday. Don't let me down now, eh? Peace. There's no point in trying to hash this out with you. You'll just get bored either and hate me or leave me, just like everyone else. You wanna bet? What? Let's bet on it. Like money? Yeah, like money. If you're so sure of that, why don't you shouldn't need to hesitate, right? As long as there's some doubt, you may as well as either try or make penny off of it instead, you know. और हमारे पोकेमॉन एक फेंट हुआ. चलो हील कर लें. अब कुछ पोकेमॉन पकड़ेंगे एंड देखते हैं और कौन सा इवेंट है. इसने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. खैर काम क्या किया, इसने कुछ नहीं किया इस बैटल में. फंड के अलावा फंड में हेल्प करी थी. कैब्राडोर को निकालो. एक और को डिपॉजिट करता हूँ, राइचू को. हम्म, किसकी ज़रूरत है हमें? हम्म, मकरों की। चलो। हाँ, स्वैम पॉट को रखते हैं। तो गाइज अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं देखने की आगे की स्टोरी क्या है, या अगर कोई इवेंट पोकेमॉन मिलेगा या पता चलेगा तो मैं उसको ट्रेस करूँगा। यहाँ से निकलते हैं अब। आरबोक। रन। अरे यार, तो यहाँ से निकलते हैं। पोकेमोनों को ट्रेन भी करना, लेवल 50 का कैप भी मिल गया है। तो यहाँ पे गए, तो ये सीढ़ी ऊपर। नीचे गए। Sorry, I just felt like I had to get out of there. You know how can you can't really touch an open flame even if you want for some reason. Like your body just won't let you. It was like that. Everything just kind of burns. Do you understand what I mean? Yes. Well, thanks. Whatever. When I was over there staring down at the front door in all its menacing grandeur, I thought, wow, I really didn't think this through. Not a single part of it. I came here because I felt like I had to. And not only I did not do anything, but there was nothing to do. But all this running around trying to save the kids, even the whole bit about challenging the league. It's just reacting to my circumstances one after the another. No clear path, just running in circles. Even there's still that's still easier than staying back there though. And at some point I realized if I keep going, I have to fight Aya too. The Blight badge, right? The funny thing, I still have that badge from my time, albeit brief. Several of them in fact. यार मेरे को ये लगता है ये आया को भाई भाई तो नहीं है कुछ ये, क्योंकि ये भी पॉइजन टाइप कुछ है इसके पास, नीडो किंग वगैरह, और उसके पास भी कुछ पॉइजन टाइप थे, उसके पास सारे पॉइजन टाइप थे. आई डाउट दे आर वैलिड इन एनी टेक्निकलिटी, बट who would know, right? You know, you already beat her and earned your badge. So hypothetically speaking, if I fight you now and if I win, that kind of counts, right? Aja. Marowak. Muddy water. फायर घोस्ट है ना. प्रिमरीना निकाल रहा है. गैब्राडोर चलेगा. ये वाटर फेरी है ना, स्लज बॉम्ब. ओए ओए, इसको ही निकालते हैं. मड बॉम्ब नहीं गया. न्यू स्टिक के लिए शाइनी है यार. ओए हाँ ठीक है, गुड. मक के लिए नहीं, ठीक है, मक के लिए अर्थक्वेक. ओहो, फाइट में चलो. ड्रैगन फ्लॉ. लेज़र कैन करेगा. नीडो किंग. चलो स्वूबैट को निकालते हैं. नर्वस है, नर्वस फील करेगा तू अब आराम से. दैट्स ओके, दिस वॉज प्रोबेबली अ बैड आइडिया एनीवे. सॉरी, दैट वॉज आउट ऑफ लाइन. बट you're so cute when you're enabling my warden's issues, haha. We should probably go. Now that all the fires are put out, we got to figure out how to get to those kids. I'll just go to the railnet and see if I can figure out anything. Maybe let's not talk about this little excursion ever again. I think I appreciate that. Until later. Ram, hi. Look, I know you have every reason to hate me, but hear me out. Please believe that I never meant anything for this to happen. Kiki would never have. I didn't go to FFL to infiltrate it for Team Meteor. I really did want to change, and I did. I think it feels like every time I get on the track, something else happens to kick me off of it. Team Meteor found out where I was, so they gave me orders to set up the pulse. You all and Kiki tried so hard to stop it, but I had sabotaged the machine in the first place. I didn't want anyone to get hurt. I liked that place. I secretly broke the pulse when I installed it, ripped the entire cooling system. Kiki didn't have to die. The Medichamp. It's not what you think. But I'm so sorry that it happened that this way. Do you believe me? Yes. चलो मान लेते हैं कुछ हुआ तो नहीं वैसे वहाँ पे पायरस माउंटेन पे. I appreciate your mercy. It's almost more than I deserve. And I don't expect anyone from Apophil Academy will listen to me. Especially not Victoria. And there's one more thing. Strength मिल गया. I had to steal that in order to haul the machinery up there. I regretted it immediately. Even more when I found out. Team Meteor is holding Shelly. I want to charge in their breaker route and tear them a new one. But I won't. I have to find a better way. I have to find a way to be better than my fears and impulses. So I'm going to make myself scars. They'd be after me too. Now that they know that I betrayed them. I'm counting on you to save her in my place. I know that it's my fault that half of this has happened. But please help make it right. Maybe we'll meet again someday. चलो स्ट्रेंथ मिल गया. हील भी करना है यार. पहले यहाँ पे थे. ये कौन है? स्ट्रेंथ. अच्छा हील कर लो. पहले वेदर को सनी करते हैं. और यहाँ क्या? यहाँ नहीं. ओह एक पोकेमोन है यहाँ पे. स्विच करो पहले. सेव. हाउंडोर है. आजा. टॉक्सिक. कोई अटैक तो करना नहीं है. ग्रेट बॉन पकड़ लो. पकड़ा गया. चलो एक ये पकड़ा गया. वेदर क्लियर करो. What? Another trainer? I guess I'll battle. आ जाओ. 9 tails. इसमें तो केवल अपना स्वाम्पॉट ही काम करेगा. ओहो कोई मट बॉम्ब है. गया. कोई बड़ी वाटर काम कर. चलो तो I knew it would end like this. On a battle I will take you down. आ जाओ. तोगे दे मारू. ले भैया तू ब्लेस के खा. व्हाट? हील कर लो. अभी यहाँ पे ट्रेन भी करना होगा अपने पोकेमोन को लेवल 50 तक. है ट्रेनर? है तो ट्रेनर तो है कम से कम. बाय. ओके बॉल ही नहीं है. स्ट्रेंथ वाला एरिया पे जाएंगे। हम्म, ऊपर 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 ऊपर। यहाँ पे गए। निनकाडा है यार, एग में निकला था। हाँ यहाँ पे नहीं है, यहाँ स्ट्रेंथ है ना, सेव कर लो। हाँ गया। सेव। ये कौन है? किकी मिकेल आर्गल। अच्छा किकी है। राम। हेलो राम। Why didn't you let me die? You defeated Solaris, but still you let him kill me. Why did you kill me? Death is cold, painful, lonely. You feel the wind across your face, the warmth of your own body. You feel all the light of the life, and then all of the sudden darkness. The world slips away. Even your mind, your memories, your heart. You hear your heart stop beating. You feel your blood freeze. You try to cry, but you don't have the tears to do so. You try to scream, but you no longer have a voice. Why would you do that to me? Was I so cruel to you? Did you loathe me? Did you cheer my disease onward? Or were you just waiting for me to rot, to peck at my corpse? You will suffer as I have suffered. आ जाओ। स्पेक्ट्रल की अबे 65 लेवल का है। चलो ठीक है, इसके लिए ये निकाला। हम्म, ये टैंक कर लेगा। हम्म, ब्लेस किक। ओहो, चलो कोई नहीं। What a pity. It would have been such fun too, but you would not have been deceived. I will follow your trainer. Miss Dervas is giving. It seems to want to go with you. You want to take them? Yes. No. No. चलो भाई, इतना हो गया। यहाँ पे काम होगा। तो गाइस मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में। सेव करने दो। ठीक है, यहाँ पे सेव कर लेते हैं। तो गाइस अब मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में। देखते हैं यहाँ कोई इवेंट पोकेमॉन है या नहीं, तो हम रेलनेट जाएंगे जहाँ पे केन है, हमारा वेट कर रहा है, हमें बाकी बच्चों को बचाना है। तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में। पीस।